A federal high court sitting in Benin City, the Edo State capital, has officially rescued itself from the case involving the 18 suspended local government chairmen in Edo State instituted against Governor Monday Okpebholo and the Edo State House of Assembly. The court says it has no jurisdiction to entertain such matter, saying that it is a state matter and judicial process should be strictly followed. The report. The legal tussle surrounding the suspension of 18 local government chairmen in Edo State took a new dimension as the Federal High Court rescued itself from the case of the suspended 18 local government chairmen against the state governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, after the 18 council chairmen were suspended over alleged financial mismanagement by them. The court sitting in Benin announced its decision to hands off the matter, as it states that the Federal High Court does not have the jurisdiction to entertain such a matter, leaving the fate of the suspended council chairmen in uncertainty. Speaking, Barrister Andrew Adaze-Evanta, who represented the state government, said the appellants had instituted a suit in Abuja challenging their suspension, but the Chief Justice of Nigeria transferred the matter from Abuja to Benin, since there is a branch of the Federal High Court in Edo State. Adaze said instituting such a matter in Abuja in the first place is an abuse of court process.
This morning, the Federal High Court Benin Division gave what I describe as a landmark judgment on the issue of the suspension of 18 local government chairmen by both the governor and the Edo State House of Assembly due to financial malfeasance. Though they had filed one or two cases at the State High Court, they brought this matter at the Federal High Court Abuja, challenging the decision of the governor. The Federal High Court, in their wisdom, the CJ had to assign, or rather transfer that matter from Abuja, territorially, because you have a division of the Federal High Court here in Benin. So it was that same case that was transferred here. The court gave a decision today. And of course, the court declined jurisdiction because the Federal High Court can only adjudicate on matters within the provisions of Section 251, Sub 1 of the 1999 Constitution that lists areas for which the Federal High Court has jurisdiction. And of course, the matter that involves the interpretation of the state law, just as the court rightly noted, falls within the provisions of Section 272 of the Constitution that confers the State High Court with unlimited jurisdiction. And the court even said that even if you have a decision of the State High Court, the Federal High Court is not a place to come and enforce it.
Also speaking, the counsel to the PDP and the 18 local government chairmen, Barrister Peter Ekpomusa-Aigbe, said since the Federal High Court has rescued itself from the case, they will proceed to the State High Court for the next stage of the hearing.
Only ruling was delivered to the extent or to the effect that the Federal High Court transferred the matter for continuation in the Edo State.
The 18 local government chairmen had approached the court to challenge their suspension by the Edo State government. They were suspended in December 2024 over alleged financial mismanagement and abuse of office, accusations the chairmen have consistently denied. Since the suspension, the issue has drawn widespread attention, with critics accusing the Edo State government of political witch hunting, while supporters argued that the move was necessary to ensure transparency and accountability at the local government level. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.